going on, Facebook buddies? I haven't went live in a long time, but I've been working for April Heights as an animal warden since November of 21, November 21 of 22. Today I resigned because of the conditions. When I first started, the old animal warden was there. He was kind of like give me a guidelines of everything, and since then he left, and my boss said, don't listen to him. Whatever you need, this and that, just tell me. Everything I told him, my boss that works for the city, he's the big shot for the service department. Everything I told him, they went in one ear and out the other. And then they hired he did, or the city hall hired his assistant, and it's been a real big problem between him and I. As far as the kennels at work, it's not a good condition for dogs, not at all. The water, there's no running water. There's no heat. They supplied space heaters. There's no AC to cool the dogs down, and I addressed that problem since I was there. And since I was there, the kennels are approved as far as the ground inside the kennels, but as far as AC to cool them down, heat to keep them warm, that hasn't changed. I've been spending money out of my own pocket first of all, I started bringing the bedding home and washing and drying it for the dogs. And then I started spending my money out of my own pocket, whatever change I had, to wash the bedding for the dogs and dry it the best I can. The truck I'm driving, since I started, it was out of commission, and then they put it back in. It's an old kennel truck from Bedford. It's made out of aluminum, the kennel part. If it's 70 degrees out, it's way over 100 inside that kennel, part of that kennel truck. And I don't put no dogs inside there. I don't put no critters in there because I trap. The truck has AC. It does not work. Every few days, the driver or the passenger side tires on both sides, the front, rear, get low on air. I addressed that problem. Did nothing about it. The major problem with the truck is the AC in the kennels and the driver's side front wheel with the tie rod end that's going bad. I have pictures to prove it. I mean, like I said, I really love my job. I want to continue to serve Maple Heights. But every time I ask for something, nothing happens. A few weeks ago, I was on a call from dispatch, and I went to that call, and the backup camera in my truck did not work. I addressed that problem a couple weeks prior to that, and when I went on that call, I was backing up, and I hit a 2023 Porsche. It wasn't bad, but I broke the taillight out of that Porsche and put a scratch on the bumper. I mean, people say, I give 110% for my job I'm doing. I'm giving 150 plus for what I'm doing. So, I just can't understand it. The wife woke me up last night at about 1 a.m. or so, and my job is online on Maple Heights site for them looking for a new animal warden, and it's on Indeed. I don't have I'm out there alone. I don't have nobody to turn to. I'm out there alone, knocking on doors. The only thing I have is a phone. And it takes a lot of, not a lot of time, but it takes time to dial a number for dispatch and have an officer meet me out there. I've been threatened a lot of times out there. I don't know. Just like a lot of crazy people out there. I asked for a body cam. I never received it. I asked for a police radio for my side. I never received that because they told me that they don't have any. So, this is it's June, May 30th. Tomorrow's my birthday. I really don't give a fuck. But, I love this job. I love that job. And now I'm without a job, and it's not because of me leaving. It's because of the conditions that I was working in. Unsafe vehicle. My boss didn't want to hear from me. His assistant didn't want to hear from me. Every time I told them something, it went in one ear and out the other. It's a very sad thing.